What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove spam in your contact form 7 in Akismet. So first of all you need two plugins ready, and one of them should be installed by default, which is the Akismet here. And if you go to plugins, click on add new plugin, and in the search here type in Akismet, hit enter. And this is the one you want, the Akismet anti-spam protection, which is installed by default once you set up your WordPress account. However, if you don't find it, go ahead and install it. For me, it's installed, as I told you. And the second one you need is the contact form 7. So you need to install this one. Click on install now. It's installed. Then click on activate to activate it. And you can go ahead also to update the Akismet if you want. Now, what you want to do is go to installed plugins, and then go to Akismet here, click on activate, and once it's here activated, just click on settings and then get an API key. So you need to click here to follow the wizard and get the API key. So get your API key right now. And once you click or create a plan, you need to of course select one to get started and get the API key. And once you get it, just go ahead to Akismet and enter the key here, and then click on use this key. Now, next go to the contact form 7 settings by going here to the plugins here, then click on installed plugins, then scroll down to contact form 7, click on settings, and then select here contact form 1. And then add the Akismet integration tab, which you will get when you finish setup Akismet here in the integration field or on the form here, and then save your settings, and that will be it.